Hi all, last week I showed you a tip where I did some glue dots, or a background paper using glue dots and the micro glitter, which is really cute. And this week I also did it in, I put this sugar coating first, which is larger glitter, and then I put the micro glitter, so now it's pink and blue and kind of just really pretty, and it gives a really nice effect. So that's two different kinds, starting with the macro. And then I thought, you know what, this would be fun to put in a shaker card. So then, you know, you have a little bit of something, but it's not too, the glitter isn't like taking over. So if you cut these out, you can keep these. Well, I'm not doing a very good job. I should have done them in a line had I thought this is what I was going to do. But I just thought of this and I thought, ooh, I like this idea. And I think other people might like it too. So if you cut them out with your little hole punch, and you can use these then on the inside of your shaker cards. Come out wherever you are. So this is what they will look like, but it's just like having little pieces of glitter for the inside of your shaker, and then it won't, hopefully, won't stick to the top. You know how glitter sometimes does that? So I'm thinking that this is a great way to do it so that they won't stick. So there you go. That is the tip for today. I hope that you guys will try it, and I hope that you enjoy it. This one I think was just stuck in there. I don't know what that one is. But yeah, I'm going to spend some time trying to cut these out and then do it. Or maybe I'll just add some more glue dots and do it that way. Here's my third one. So there you go. Kind of fun and neat to put inside a shaker. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.